love to dive in more to see what data there is on Binance, for example.
What we can see here is their total assets kind of at a snapshot summary and the total number of wallets that are being monitored. One thing we do have to factor is, a lot of these wallets are self-reported. So just because we're able to plug into them and show the data doesn't mean that we can 100% verify that this is actually an exchange's wallet. So do have to mention that as a little bit of a caveat for our users, but I think overall directionally, this really does serve the purpose of instilling a little bit more faith and transparency. So what we can do is come down to the portfolio analysis section. And this is a very simple allocation breakdown where you can see the different assets that they're holding. So, of the $73 billion in Binance's wallets, 16 billion of that is Tether, for example, 15 billion of that is Bitcoin, 8.3 billion of that is Ethereum. You got 6.9 billion in BNB. And then you can also see their corresponding portfolio percentage value next to that as well. And then, in addition to just the asset itself, you want to see like what chains are these assets on. So, surprisingly, Tron is about 25% of the assets held on Binance, which, is interesting for being such a smaller chain compared to BNB chain, which has only about 7.1 billion in this level of assets as well. So just some interesting insights. And I think cross-chain is a big topic at this point. So that's another feature that we have within the exchange audit section itself.